Man, what's going on, Trap Watch? Today is September the 28th, 2021. Clean energy fuel stock actually closed up almost 14% yesterday in trading. I said, man, I need to come through the next day and do a price prediction in the market in clean energy fuel. So this is going to be our clean energy fuel stock prediction. Want to give you all an update onto the price movement. Was it the Wall Street best chatter that actually exploded the price in clean energy fuels? Of course not. The market moves on its own, right? The guy you see on the bottom left side of my screen, he actually dictates where the price is going to go. It wasn't the Wall Street best crew. No, they don't have enough power to move the markets like that. The one you see on the bottom left side of my screen, he actually has enough power to move market where he wants to go. And you guys can see that he actually wanted to lift the price about 14% yesterday. So let me come in and give you all the updated price prediction into the market in clean energy fuels. I know that this particular stock was pumped up in the beginning of the year. A lot of these videos have fell off. You know, they're not talking about clean energy fuels anymore, but we will, because it doesn't take long for you to see where the market is trying to go in the future. So if you guys want to tap in, like I always do, make sure you hit me up, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We want to make sure that you stay updated as well. Tap that bell notification. That's why YouTube have given us that access, that ability to make sure that you guys can know when I upload my price predictions as to where I'm looking for the market to go in the future. So now let me show you first, okay, the last price prediction we did in clean energy fuels. It was all the way back on June 29th, 2021. And you guys can see it. Come on, like, I'm keeping it real. We was looking for the price in clean energy fuels to go up, and guess what? Instead, the price went down, way down. Look at this. If we were to get out the market right now in clean energy fuels, we'll be down almost 21% in our price prediction since June 29th, right? June 21st of 2021. Yeah, it didn't go right. We missed this price prediction. This is one price prediction that the trap actually beat us on. He actually won in terms of what we expect the market to do and what it actually did. So yeah, we didn't get this right. We'll be the first ones to tell you when we don't get our price prediction correct. You gotta learn from it and then move higher, move on, right? So at what point, okay, because let's use this as a teachable moment. At what point would you say, I may got this prediction wrong. I was looking for the market in clean energy to go up, and instead it's going down. At what point? Would it be right here on this ascending line when the market in clean energy broke it? Right? Would you have minimized the losses there and said, let me cut it? Because you guys can see that the market ultimately came all the way down 43% on the 19th of August. Right? Would have been there? Because that's where you should have cut the loss. That's where you should have minimized those losses in clean energy fuels, because the trend was broken, right? Look at this. Clean energy fuel was on a massive run up, and we came all the way back down, tested that ascending line, shot back up, came down, and then we broke it right there. X marks the spot. That's where we should have cut the prediction and said, hey, I'm not looking for the market to go up. Instead, the market is giving us some weakness because it broke the overall trend. Simple. Now, let me take this away. Okay. Now, okay, given that, look at what price has done since our last price prediction. Yeah, we're not in an upward trend. Cool. But what we are showing in the market in clean energy fuel is this. Okay. This is where support is into the market in clean energy fuels. Right there. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Look at how the trap is already identifying to us. He's telling us where the market is willing to prop up this price right there. So from $7.50 is where the market is buying. Now, let's say at the end of 2021, the market was to break back down below $7.50. We already know that we're going to be in a very sustained downward trend, right? Whenever that happens, if it ever happens. But right now, the market is confirming that it wants to prop up price at $7.50. Again, I'm a very staunch advocate that price charts don't lie. So until otherwise, this is where the market is buying, right there. So until this market actually breaks $7.50 to the downside, the market's going to continue to hold this area for support, and we can expect the price to continue to shoot up higher. Okay. Now, that is our newest area of support into the market in clean energy fuels. On the 3-day time frame, check this out. Okay, the market is trying to actually move off of $7.50 and go up higher in price. Now, am all out bull into the market in clean energy? No, I'm not telling you that we're going to shoot up exceedingly higher in price, that we're going to shoot up to $20. No, I'm not telling you that. But what I'm telling you is that the market is trying to go up higher, a little bit higher at least, maybe $10. Like, that might not be a substantial movement for you, because that will be the next area for us to see this market in clean energy fuels tap out, or at least find some increase in selling, shall I say. This is the 2 weeks time frame. Okay. Earnings report is coming up on November the 4th. Be prepared for that, because this market may actually start going down either before or after November the 4th, because the trap plays on that type of information. Monthly time frame, 2 days and 10 hours left. I mean, I actually like what's going on in the market in clean energy fuels right now, right? So if we were to stair step our way higher in price, $10 would be first. Second area would be up here like $10.75 and $11 in clean energy fuels. Okay. So let me go ahead and run the play in the market for clean energy fuels. We're going to play a little bit of strength, right? I'm not going to be all out bull, but we can look for the price to go up in clean energy fuels, right? As long as this market price upholds $7.50, we're going to continue to trade sideways. Either we're going to do this, or we're going to go do that. Those are the two outcomes that we can get. The market going to trade sideways, or price is going to go up. One of the two, as long as price stays above $7.50. Okay. Break this over on the daily. So initially, when we see these type of moves, 14% in 1 day in the stock market for a particular market, automatically you would expect us to come down a little bit, right? You would expect the people to come in and try to take some profits. And rightfully so, right? You would expect people to come in and eat off the market move from yesterday. So out from the gate, yeah, the price can go down in clean energy fuels, right? You can expect that. Be prepared for that. But for us, we're looking for the market to come to $10 first. That will be the first area that we all need to take a snack and eat off the market, right there around $10. Next area is going to be like $10.75 to $11, right? So that's 16.5% movement to the upside in clean energy fuels. Okay. And that's it. So this is our updated price prediction in the market in clean energy fuels. You guys can see for what it is. This is what I'm expecting. Now, I want to know, what do you expect into the market in clean energy fuels, since so many people have completely dropped their talks about clean energy fuels and left you all holding the bag. Let me know, what do you all think about clean energy fuels? I mean, do you think we're going to go up? Do you think we're going to go down? What is your expectations? Where is your take profit areas? Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.